Hey Peaches, what's up? So I am so excited to be doing another makeup tutorial for you guys today. I look crazy right now. That's because I only have my primer on and my eyebrows done, and just because I'm crazy in general. Fun fact, I can never get the front of this eyebrow to look normal because I don't grow hair on the top of it. Anyways, ever since pretty much the beginning of August, I have wanted to do this look, but I've waited because the lip color is so dark and like intense that I was like, okay, that is an October or Halloween or fall or something color that has to come later in the year. And so it's time to do it now. This look, and there's one other look that I've been dying to do, that one will have to be next. But anyways, I'm gonna go ahead and jump into everything. The fun part, and the reason I'm starting here on this tutorial looking like this, is because I have no idea what I'm gonna do for my eyes. I'm thinking that I might try to do kind of like a really dark crease. And yeah, the lip color I'm gonna use is the NYX Liquid Suede. This is such a pretty color. It is in the color Stone Fox. And really the color of the lip is like the color of the bottle. Like it's, if you guys can tell, actually gray. So I'm really excited. And I'm thinking for my eyes, I'm gonna do black and silver. And I'm really nervous about that. I did not prime my eyes. I'm gonna go ahead and do that. I'm just using the Urban Decay Primer Potion in Eden, I think is, yeah, Eden. Just the original looking color. I just painted my nails and I have literally bumped them into every single thing ever in life in the last like 10 minutes. Here's what I'm thinking I'm gonna try to do. I want to take the NYX Jumbo Eye Pencil in Black Bean, which is just black, and kind of like put that in my crease and smoke over it with some black eyeshadow. Let's hope this doesn't turn out really messy. Okay. Mistake. Things are going beautifully here. I'm gonna zoom you guys in a little bit so that you can see this monstrosity happen right before your eyes. Yeah, I definitely should have used a smaller brush, but you live and you learn. So I'm gonna take the Morphe 35F palette, which is literally like F for fall, right? I'm just gonna start with like a light tan color though. Turns out I don't know what I'm doing, so I'm gonna go in with a really dark brown, I think, actually. This is not dark enough to be dark like my soul. Actually, I'm just gonna get crazy. I'm gonna use the Anastasia Subculture palette and use Rowdy, which is like this purple color down here. And then I think I'm gonna put black on top of it. That could be pretty, right? Question, would you guys want me to do the Instagram followers control my life for a day thingamajig, or is that already dead and gone and everyone has moved on? I don't know trends. It's not looking terrible. I mean, it's not good, but that's literally should be my motto in life. I say that all the time. So now I'm gonna go in with an actual black. This is back to the 35F palette. I don't think the crease looks very good so far. Blend in a panic really quickly. Okay. I either have a lot of energy or I'm about to crash, or both. Okay, that's something. So it doesn't look like the 35F has like a silver color like I want. Okay. That's probably not gonna look quite how I want it to, but we're gonna try it anyways. Could be okay. This is the 35S palette from Morphe. Okay, so I don't think that looks all that bad. I'm gonna put some eyeliner on. And I'm just going to use the L'Oreal Lash Paradise again. I used this in my last tutorial as well. Okay, eyeliner's done. Now I'm gonna go off camera really quickly and put my lashes on. I've been loving these ones from Ardell. They're called Baby Wispies, and they're just a little bit shorter and not as intense as any of the wispies, even the Demi Wispies. So I've been loving those. This on, and then I'll be right back. It's been a minute. So I put on my lashes, as you can see, and I also went ahead and did all my face makeup because I'm trying a couple different things for these makeup videos. If you guys are at this point and you're like, oh man, I wish you would have showed everything, comment down below and let me know, and then next time I'll know to go ahead and include that. I just feel like a lot of my face stuff, I don't change anything very much, and so you would just be watching the same thing with the same products over and over and over. If that's something that you guys like to see the process of or anything, tell me and I'll keep doing it. I just don't want to bore you guys. So I think what I'm gonna do for underneath my eyes is actually use the Rowdy color from the Subculture palette, which is that purple. I'm trying to film a couple different times of the day so I know kind of when is the best lighting time. So if it doesn't look its best, you guys forgive me, and I know, just know I'm gonna keep trying. Okay, so I think that looks pretty good. Now on to the lips. So I wanted to use Rowdy also because my lip liners that I have a couple different ones here. I couldn't really tell if it's gonna be better to use like a red underneath. I don't have anything that matches a silver, but I'm thinking if I do a really dark red or a purple, maybe that'll look good. This is from LA Girl, I think. Yeah, LA Girl. And this is Deepest Purple. Wow, that's really dark on me. I hate that on camera it's coming off way light and way dark, because in person it actually looks like this is October Sarah for sure. I'm gonna see if I can put some bronzer on to help kind of put some color back in my face, and I also wanna do some blush. Okay, so I hate to use the same blush that I used in my last video, but I just can't really see anything that would look better with this look. I need to get more blushes is just the fact of it. So I'm gonna use my Milani Romantic Rose again today. Okay, I think that's gonna be it. Do you guys love this or hate this? To be honest with you, I actually really am digging it. I think with the right outfit and occasion, this could be really pretty makeup. I just want to say, I don't know why this is like boom in my head all of a sudden, but I'm not a beauty guru. I like makeup and I like to play in makeup and have fun with it. So I never want you guys to think when you're coming here that you're gonna see this perfect image of a person doing something perfect and not making any mistakes, or not doing a look that, you know, that every look is gonna look perfect. It's not, because I am just a human girl who's doing what she likes to do. This is like my artistic release. I've always said that about makeup, and just editing and filming and the whole process. So I am just a real person who is sitting here sharing, trying this look out with you guys, and if it doesn't look perfect, that's because it's not, and I'm okay with that, because I think that that's a really good thing to accept about yourself, that you're not perfect at everything. I do hope that you guys enjoyed this video, and if you did, be sure to subscribe before you leave. If you want me to do a certain look next, let me know, or if you have any other video requests, just leave them down below. I'm trying my best to vlog a ton for you guys right now, and film some dates that we have coming up. I got a lot of requests actually saying that you guys wanted to see fall dates, and I've planned on recording all of them, and I have a lot of them planned already, so I'm really excited for that. Thank you so much for watching this video, and I can't wait to see you in my next one. Bye.